Hello friends, welcome to my tutorial. Now I'm going to show you that if you want to check that a user belonging to how many groups, if you want to check that, then you have to use id hyphen capital G small n and the username. This should show you that the user belonging to how many groups. So here you can see that these are the two groups, Noida and Delhi, in which the user is belonging to. There are another simple command by which you can see the group ID and the user ID and the number of groups that user is present in. This is a simple command that is you can see here user ID UID and the group ID is GID, that is 1000, and the groups are Noida and Delhi. You can see here with proper group ID and user ID. Now friends, let me show you another thing. If you want to check the details of an user, for that you have to use this command CHAGE hyphen small l and the username. And see, these are the details over here. Suppose you want to change the expiry date of the account, user account. If you want that after this date the user account will get automatically expire, means nobody or the user will not be able to log into that account anymore. So for that you have to use this command, user mode hyphen e, and it will be in this format 2016, that's YYYY, and then the month, that is 12, suppose I'm giving, and then the date is 24. Okay, this is my birthday date I'm just giving here. So next the username. So this should be the format YYYY MM and DD. This should be the format by which you have to provide this date. Now sorry, username, actually I have to provide this username. That user doesn't exist, so this one. Now use this command change again to see the details of the user. Now you can see that account expires on December 24, 2016. This came, it was not there at first. Now you can also change all the things in your own way by this command CHAGE and the username. By this you can change all the informations. These informations you can change here. Okay, so now let me show you one more thing. If you want to change your user ID of your current account, so how will you do that? First of all, let's see. So at last there is an account John. Can you see that, friends? Okay, let me just show you in a different way, or let's go with another account, Manish. Using the grep command. So here you can see that the user ID 1000, the first one is a user ID and the next one is group ID. So if you want to change your user ID, how will you do that? So this one is the command by which you should do this. User mode hyphen u, and then if you want to give, suppose this one you want to give as your user ID, and then the username. Okay, now check again. So can you see, friends, your user ID is changed now, 1020. This became your user ID. Now let's come to that section, how can you remove a user. Okay, so if you want to remove your user, suppose there is another user hyphen a is another user here. See here the last line a and bin bash, or let's go with another user. I have to show you, I have to compare with another thing. Let me give grep John. John is a user and its home folder is John, right? So if you are using just a simple command user del and then John, it would remove the user. But if you check in this section cd and in the home folder, its home folder will not get deleted. See, John is still there. So if you want to remove a user, suppose let me go with another example with Manish username, and it has the home folder matrix as I showed you earlier, or let me show you another time. Manish, so can you see the home folder for Manish is matrix. So if I am going to remove this Manish folder, Manish user, then I have to you completely, then I have to use this command, user del hyphen hyphen remove and the username. Now check in your home folder. See, matrix is not there. That means it also removed the home folder for Manish. Now if you want to remove any group, then what should be the command for that? Group del Noida. This is the command to remove any group that has been present in your system. So this is all, friends. Please wait for my next video. I'm going to show you some more interesting interesting tutorials, important modules of Linux. So till then, thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye friends.